Hello everyone, myself Santosh. This is me. I'm here to share my project details along with the demo. Business use case that I have taken is to automate a process in a Granite factory using computer vision and a part of machine learning. Let's get into the details. This is one of my friends' Granite factory. Here they produce granite slabs, and this is how they measure each granite slab manually, and they will make a note of it. And this is the business use case that I have considered for my project, which will automatically measure the slabs like this, and it generates a QR code for each slab, and also it sends an WhatsApp message to the owner for each measurement along with date and time, and also it stores the data in order to produce weekly or monthly reports. And this really helps in systematic production management, and also helps in reducing fraud, and also not to rely on any manager or supervisor in the absence of the owner. Now let's get into demo. So here is the demo. Here we are executing the script. Now it's sending a WhatsApp message, and here we can see the message here, and we can see the time. It's 9:59. There is an entry in the Google Sheets also, same from 9:59, and it gives the slab length, breadth, and the total SFT. So it's in inches, and this is in the square feet, and it also generates a QR code here. Here is the QR code. Thanks for watching. Thank you.